I recently had the chance to talk with Bluewhite CEO and founder Ben Alfi in Israel. The Robots as a Service company makes Autonomy retrofit kits that are currently being used on over 300,000 acres in Washington and California. Alfi says autonomy is here. It's not a dream anymore, and it's not only saving people money and time, but it's also doing something that he says probably doesn't get talked about enough. It's keeping people healthier.
There is no reason for people to be near tractors running and spreading chemicals. And the only reason there is no regulation about it is because there wasn't any other option. Now we have options. So it will happen, and it should happen. You know, both of us have been in airplanes where people smoked inside. And today we think, oh, how the hell did that happen? So this is the only thing that I think that will happen much faster, and we at the ecosystem should push everybody to transform as fast as possible, because we need to have a healthier life, all of us.
Definitely an interesting take, and Alfi had a lot of interesting things to say during our conversation. You can catch it at precisionfarmingdealer.com. In the Technology Corner, I'm Noah Newman.